Are you that person who's always thinking how to live your dream lifestyle? Or are you someone always wondering how those YouTubers or the person whom you admire is basically living their dream lifestyle? If you are that person who wants to know what is the secret and how you can also adopt and how you can also be building your dream lifestyle, then this video is exactly for you, and you need to stay till this end of this training or till the end of this video, because I'm going to be revealing some top secrets which I personally learned from my business mentor who's a multi-millionaire, and I exactly adopted the same thing in my life, and I got a very big, it really made a big difference into my life. And it just not made a difference to my life, but also to my teammates' life and also to my students. And if you really want to do it, this training is for you. If you have not watched the previous video on how you can build your business around your lifestyle, I want you to click the link below this description, or I'll also link it up here. All you need to do is go back to the training episode 1, watch that and come here, because certain things which I shared, I'll not be able to share it again here. I really highly recommend that you watch that part 1 of this video series, okay? And to give a small introduction, I'm the world's first freelancer mentor, digital marketing specialist, and also an upcoming author. By this time, probably the time you watch this video, probably I'd have been an author. So all I want to tell you is it is really possible to live your dream lifestyle. See, I always believe that you have to be the person who have to take the pen and write your own story. You should not leave other people, the third people or the third parties, or your professors, your colleagues, your managers, your society basically. You should not leave them to write your own story. And if you want to write your own story according to your lifestyle, stay till this video end, because I'm going to be telling you certain things which you need to be personally doing along with me, okay? So I was also like you. I was really confused, and I was always thinking how to have that dream lifestyle or how to really live the dream of my life. I was really wondering about it, and I was already, I was really confused on this part, because till my schooling, till my graduation, I lived on my own terms. I lived on my own terms. I decided where to go, what to do. I had complete control over my life. But then once I started working, all that control, all that freedom was broken. And I really felt devastated, and I could not bear that, because a lot of people are telling you need to forget all your freedom. It's your time to really work hard, make a lot of money, get some experience. But for me, money was not important. For me, freedom was more important. And then after a lot of struggle, I believe in this. You don't get what you need, you get what you deserve. So likewise, I really deserved it. I left my job, I started my own thing, failed multiple times. Then I started finding the right people who can really help me live my lifestyle. That's when I learned this powerful secret. And then I literally did this. I took my notebook, probably I can find it here somewhere. I literally took my notebook and started writing what should be what should be my lifestyle. So the first question I answered, I want you to pause this video right now, take out your notebook and answer this question. And you can literally pause. The first question here is, where do you want to work? Do you want to work in an office? Do you want to work in home with your family, with your loved ones? Answer this. Where do you want to work? So take some time. Literally, I wrote that I want to work in my home with the people whom I love to work. I don't want this office politics, fake people. I don't want to work with them. And moreover, I don't like going to office. I literally wanted to work from home. If that is you, write it down. I want to work from home. And in the next series, next video part, I'll be exactly revealing how you can really do this. And this is not just a YouTube video, this is actually implementation. Whatever I'm going to be sharing here, you need to implement and take massive actions. Okay, the second question is, at what time you want to get up? Do you want to get up at 6 o'clock? Do you want to get up at 8 o'clock? Do you want to get up at 10 o'clock? Do you want to get up at 11 o'clock? Or whatever time you like, you'll have to write it down. What time you want to really get up? Few years back when I did it, I wrote I want to get up at 6 o'clock. But now my timings has changed when the time I'm doing it. But when the day when I wrote I need to get up at 6 o'clock, I started getting up at 6 o'clock. At what time you want to, do you like to have commute to work, or do you like to work from the comfort of your home? Probably if you have answered this, you can write this. If you have not answered, or you can also write this. Okay, probably the third question. Do you like to work alone, or do you like to work with colleagues, or do you like to work with teammates? Answer this. Initially when I told I don't want to work with colleagues, I don't want to work with all of that, I personally love working alone, and I did it. Okay, how is it even possible, Vipin? Don't worry about all of these questions. In the next video, I'll exactly tell you how you can do this. If you like to work alone, staying at home with your pajamas, with your night dress, you can write it. You can literally do it. Okay. So that's the third question. Okay. The fourth question is, at what time do you want to go to your gym, or at what time do you want to exercise? You have to write it. Do you want to go in the morning? You write it out. Do you want to go in the evening? You can do it. Literally when I did this, I used to go in the morning, but then I changed it because one of my gym trainer, he was working out at 12 o'clock, 12:30. So then I started going to the gym at 12:30 because it's my lifestyle. I used to work out from 12:30 till 1:30 and 2 o'clock, and then I used to come back and have my food. I had this for some time. Then again, I literally changed it. You decide at what time you are comfortable to go to gym or to exercise. That is, you're building your lifestyle. That's it. The next question you need to answer is, how much money do you want to make this year? This is a very, very important question. How much money do you want to make this year? You can't just blindly put that I want to make 1 crore. You can't do it. First thing, if you are having 5 lakh per annum in your job, you can probably increase it to, you can double it. You can tell I want 10 lakh per annum. Don't worry about how you are going to make it. Or you can put 25 lakh per annum. You have to just write it down. And let's work backward. Okay. In the next part, I'll exactly tell you how you can really work backward. Let's say if you want to make 25 lakh a year, you can easily do it. That is, you are setting your lifestyle. You say that I want to make 25 lakhs, write it down. Pause this video, write it down. Don't worry about how. Just wait for the next series, next video, I'll exactly tell you. This is what I did. I just told how much I want to make this year. I'll exactly give you all the tools, all the techniques, all the strategies, all the skills on how you can really build this. Okay. And also you need to write down how many hours do you want to work. Do you want to work 8 hours, 12 hours, or do you want to work only 2 to 3 hours a day? Write it down. So when I did this, because I was struggling, I was like just getting started, I wrote I want to work 6 hours. That's it, 6 to 5 hours. And literally I worked 6 to 5 hours. And today I can say I'm only working 2 to 3 hours a day. This is really unbelievable, but I'm also in a process of thinking, how can I really work even more? I'm not working enough. I'm just working 2 to 3 hours, having good lifestyle basically, with more freedom, more control, and also I'm working from home, but I'm planning how I can really increase this. Write down how many hours you want to work. Write down where you want to work. That's more important. Do you want to one, you can work in home. Probably if you love traveling and working, you can do it. If you do want to work in a cafe, you can do it. So decide what you want to do. To really recall, it's basically, in short, you are setting your dream life. This is completely opposite to the people who are talking about career, about growth, about life, life and everything. No. My question is, who are they to really tell you what you need to do in your life, correct? It is you who have to build your life. It is you who's going to build your dream lifestyle. And I've given you the secret. Just write it. Where do you want to work? At what time do you want to get up? At what time you want to sleep? If you have not written it, write it. At what time you want to hit the gym? At where do you want to work? Office or home? At how much money do you want to make? How many hours do you want to work? Write down every single thing. So let me really show you, if I can really find that notebook. I don't know. Let me show you how I've written it. Literally a few years back, I made this. Okay, I got it. So, what time do I like to get up in the morning? What time I like to go to bed? I said 6 a.m. and 12 a.m. Right? Then I wrote, when is my energy highest? I said after 6 p.m. At that time, my energy was highest after 6 p.m. What do I want to spend the majority of my time doing? Learning, creating, making a lot of creative work, teaching and mentor, think strategically. What? I decided what I need to do, and you can also do the same thing. Do I want to work at home or do I want to work at office? I already told you. I said I want to work at home. Well, how much time do I want to spend inside or outside the world? Probably it is like inside home and outside. I said 70% of the time I need to be spending inside home and 30% outside. And literally today I'm doing the same thing. And I didn't know how this would really work, but then I really made it. Do you like to travel? If you like to travel, just write down, yes, I love to travel a lot. Then basically, this is how I create my life. This is how my students, my teammates are creating their life. And if you do the same thing, just imagine what would happen, right? So if this video has been any help for you, if this had really opened your mind out, or this has given any value to you, all I want you to do personally is subscribe to the channel, because I'll be sharing a lot of other videos, and more importantly, hit the bell icon, because the next part I'll be releasing it very soon and I don't want you to miss this. Okay, so if you hit the bell icon, you'll get notified. And if you are that person who wants to build your lifestyle, and if you want to live your dream life, just type I want to live my dream life in the comment section. I or any of my teammates will personally get in touch with you and share you some of our free training, private free training, to help you get started immediately. And it is completely for free. And all you need to do is go comment telling that I need to live my dream lifestyle.